There is a social engineering exploit happening right now, and the trigger is something you do every single day. Answering your phone and saying hello. If you pick up an unknown number and are met with 2 to 3 seconds of dead air, you aren't dealing with a bad connection. You are interacting with an automated scam dialer, and it is waiting for your voice to execute its payload. Today, we are breaking down the mechanics of the voice signature exploit and showing you the exact protocol to block it. The attack vector. Let's look at the mechanics of the attack. Scammers use automated dialers to ping thousands of numbers simultaneously. To save time, the system is voice-activated. It only routes the call to a live scammer after the microphone picks up your initial greeting. That routing process takes exactly 2 to 3 seconds, which is why you hear that awkward silence. Once connected, the scammer deploys the bait. They will ask a highly engineered, simple question like, "Can you hear me?" or "Is this John?" or whatever your name is, for example. They are fishing for one specific audio payload, the word yes. Once they record you saying yes, they possess a fraudulent voice signature. Bad actors splice this audio clip into fake verbal contracts, using it to authorize credit card charges or recurring subscriptions. By the time you realize what happened, they have weaponized your own voice against your bank account. The patch. The 3-second firewall. So how do you patch this vulnerability? You implement what we call the 3-second firewall. When you answer a call from an unknown ID, do not speak. Open the line and remain completely silent for 3 seconds. By withholding your voice, the automated dialer script fails to trigger. The system assumes it has hit a deadline or a voicemail box, categorizes your number as inactive, and automatically drops the connection. You defeat the attack without ever speaking to the threat actor. The defense protocol. To bulletproof your daily communications, adopt this 3-step protocol. Step 1. Answer, but stay muted. Step 2. Wait out the 3-second lag. Step 3. If a human is on the other end and asks if you can hear them, never use simple affirmations like yes, sure, or okay. Force them to authenticate themselves by asking, "Who is calling?" If you suspect your voice has already been captured, initiate incident response immediately. Contact your financial institutions to flag your accounts for unauthorized verbal agreements. Monitor your transaction logs daily and report the caller ID to the FTC. Cybercriminals rely on our default polite programming to execute their scams. By upgrading your response habits, you shut them out of your network completely. If this security briefing was helpful, hit the like button so the algorithm pushes this warning to more users. Share this video with anyone in your network who might be vulnerable to social engineering, and subscribe for more ways to secure your digital life. Stay safe, and we will see you in the next one.